Hey, it's Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching. We're at the IT Expo Tech Super Show 2026, February in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Luiz Domingos is with us. He's CTO of Mitel. Luiz, how are you?
I'm doing well, and it's a great event, Rich.
Thanks for being here. I'm so excited to hear about what's happening at Mitel lately.
Oh yes, we have launched last year and early this year a series of new solutions with AI. Our contact center, Mitel CX, is brand new contact center fully powered with AI agents and assistants, as well as our workflow studio, which is a solution for workflows and in the agentic era.
Wow, and how has customer response been?
We've been having good response. Certainly there are different types of customers, correct? So here in the US, with good acceptance. In Europe, we have to comply to GDPR and some regulatory, which our product is able to do. But certainly different realities across the ocean.
Right, you probably have to keep the data local and things like that, right?
Yeah, sovereignty, data privacy, operationability, all of that is some concerns that in general many companies don't see. We have to handle that, and we have the solutions for it.
Has anything surprised you about just the use of AI?
AI governance. Many companies are not prepared to deploy and operate and understand the impacts of AI in their day-to-day business. I think good discussions here in the event. By the way, I was in a fireside chat, and what you observe is that many companies are not prepared to take AI into their day-to-day and deploy and operate.
Yeah, that makes sense. It's a lot of work to get it ready, right?
Yeah, absolutely, and there's hidden costs and complexity that many customers don't see. So we at Mitel, we have services, professional services, managed services that help our customers navigate through it, because it's very difficult nowadays to find what is the moment where AI really becomes valuable for you.
That's great. What else should we know?
You should know that Mitel will be at Enterprise Connect this year, and we have a lot of new announcements to make. So in the areas of unified communications and contact center, a lot of good investment in AI in 2026, so a lot of good stuff coming.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me, Rich.